Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Takes with Naveen. In this episode, we will learn about a massively trending embedded RTOS called Zephyr RTOS. We will first start off with why use Zephyr RTOS, then talk about supported architectures, and finally talk about Zephyr RTOS on the ESP32. The Zephyr RTOS is based on a small footprint kernel designed for use on resource-constrained embedded devices and is maintained by the Linux Foundation. The Zephyr RTOS is a relatively new real-time operating system and is ready for a wide variety of MCU architectures. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you should care about Zephyr RTOS. I mean, there are many mature RTOS like FreeRTOS already available, then why Zephyr RTOS? The first reason is that Zephyr RTOS has no vendor lock-in. The majority of other RTOSs are backed by companies and are not really independent. FreeRTOS is backed by Amazon, Azure RTOS is backed by Microsoft, etc. Zephyr RTOS is however supported by the Zephyr open source project run by the Linux Foundation, which is a non-profit organization. This background of the Zephyr RTOS accelerates its adoption and its development in open source GitHub repository. This is evident by the massive amount of contributions Zephyr RTOS receives. The second reason for using Zephyr RTOS is that it has a unique build and configuration system. The build system is CMake and the configuration system is kconfig. Using such embedded friendly and familiar tools has a big impact. First, embedded Linux developers will feel at home when working with Zephyr RTOS. Second, it makes setup and maintenance of products easier. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to like and share the video. Do hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Now coming to the third reason for using Zephyr RTOS is that it is built from ground up with security in mind. The Zephyr project maintains a security overview documentation which summarizes the measures taken to make the RTOS as secure as practically possible. This saves embedded developers a lot of time as they do not have to collect and potentially reverse engineer the information on their own. Zephyr RTOS provides a 3-step security improvement process. They are secure development, secure design, and security certification. Now that you are on board with the Zephyr RTOS train, let's see the ultimate vision statement of the Zephyr RTOS project. The Zephyr project strives to deliver the best-in-class RTOS for connected resource-constrained devices built to be secure and safe. The board support for Zephyr RTOS is growing rapidly and it now supports 350 plus boards and is growing. Some of the architectures it supports include the following. Already there are industrial and commercial products that are running Zephyr today, which includes gateways, wind turbines, and safety shoes to name a few. Zephyr offers a large and ever-growing number of features including extensive suite of kernel services, multiple scheduling algorithms, highly configurable or modular for flexibility, cross-architecture, memory protection, BLE 5.0 support, native Linux, macOS and Windows development, non-volatile storage. Zephyr RTOS's Tensilica extensor support essentially means that you can take the Zephyr RTOS for a ride on your cheap ESP32 board. This is the current support status for different peripherals on ESP32 running Zephyr RTOS. As of now, Zephyr RTOS only supports ESP32 and development work is going on for ESP32 S2, S3 and C3. Currently, Zephyr RTOS is working on a few features for ESP32 like the following. Dynamic frequency scaling that can save a lot of energy, Zephyr on-chip Wi-Fi native stack integration, MCU manager and OTA update hub, ESP Rainmaker to Zephyr compatibility. We have come to the end of the video and you can like and share the video if you found it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Chip in Detail for more such videos.